2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you some good old Ramones Blitzkrieg Bop. So, who said you can't play punk on acoustic guitar, right? Alright, so this is a cool song, fun for a Sunday evening. We only have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 chords. We got A major. 1, 2, 3. Got D major. And we got E major. 1, 2, 3. And we got a B. We don't have to play B major or B minor. Let's just play a B. So 1, first finger, third, 4. You can leave the B and E string open. So this is not a major or minor, it's just a B. Okay, so it starts with that, just muting. Just down, up, down, up. Okay, and then we have A, D, doing down, down, up, 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 down, down. So this is the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Let's do that again. A, D, E, A, D, E, A, D, E, A, D, A. And then we have the chorus that goes to D. I showed you guys B and D, E. So it's kind of a lot of switching there. So let's go to the chorus again. 1, 2, start on D, 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 A, D, A, D, D, B, D, E. Verse. B, 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 D, E. A, O, Short and sweet. That's how we love it. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in for this awesome, fun song. So I'll see you tomorrow with more great songs. Be safe. Thank you.